Good morning, everyone. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas to those who are celebrating Christmas today. This is December 5th, 25th morning time. And guess what I'm having for breakfast? Blueberry pie. So this is 1.5 cup of flour with half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a generous pinch of salt, and 2 green cardamom pods that I just quickly crushed. We're just gonna mix these. Oopsie daisy, and then we're gonna crack an egg and also about half cup unsalted butter. We're gonna mix it and knead it into a pie dough. The smell of the cardamom is so nice. The cardamom is optional. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. Now we're just gonna dump this onto our pie plate. And we're just gonna, you can roll it, but you can also, this is a very versatile, nice skin. You can just do this with your finger or a back of spoon, or you can roll it between 2 parchment paper. Like so. Now that our pie crust or pie dough is ready, we're gonna make the filling. This is 3/4 cup of sugar with 1 egg, excuse me, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. We're gonna add 1 cup sour cream and 2 tablespoons of flour. You can mix it with electric mixer or balloon whisk, it's up to you. Again, you can use balloon whisk or you can use electric mixer, whichever is convenient for you. We're just gonna mix this until completely combined before we fold in our frozen blueberries. So we're gonna add in about 2 cups, 2/4 cups, or 2.5 cups, is up to you. Now once you add the blueberry, these are frozen, you want to mix it but not overly mix, like just fold it carefully, and then we're gonna dump this onto our crust. So pretty, the color. Now before we prepare the topping, the crumb topping, we're gonna bake this on preheated 400 Fahrenheit. So again, that will be 400 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. What I have here is 1 handful of walnut. We're just gonna roughly chop it. This is our chopped walnut with 3 tablespoons of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a little bit of butter. When I said a little bit, I didn't really use a measurement, maybe about 1 to 2 tablespoons. I just sliced a little bit from my butter. Then we're gonna mix this. You can use fork, hand, whichever you like. And then we're gonna kind of sprinkle it, I guess, on top of our filling. Now after 20 minutes, as you can see, my side is already browning. You can cover it with aluminum foil. Anyways, after 20 minutes, you want to sprinkle the top with the topping. Now we're gonna continue baking for another 20 minutes. Messy table, I know, but I just took it out from the oven. It looks so dark then in the camera than with my normal eyes. Cool. Cool room temperature completely before chilling it in the fridge. Enjoy as is or with whipped topping.